Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Where the Hair Sits. My name is Arlah and today I'm excited to show you this beautiful long piece from Jon Renau called Avery in the color Shaded Praline, which is 12FS8. I would like to thank Name Brand Wigs for sending us this piece to review. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, this is Jon Renau's Avery in the color Shaded Praline. This is the front. This is the right side. This is the back. This is the right side. And back to the front. For reference, I am 5'4" in height and my head circumference is 23 inches. Now let's go over the specs of Avery. The bangs are 15 inches. The crown is 19 inches. The sides are 20 inches and the nape is 20 inches. So very, very long piece. Again, for reference, I'm 5'4", and on my back, she falls almost all the way down to my hip. So pretty. Very Disney princess vibes. I called her Rapunzel hair for a while, but she is so beautiful. Now, this is a regular synthetic piece, which means you cannot use your heat tools on these fibers, otherwise they will burn. So one way that you could maintain these fibers and keep them looking like new is to put some steam. And of course, constant combing with your wide tooth comb. This was actually right out of the box. All I did was take out the zigzag part. I sprayed a little bit of water and comb her through, and that was it. She was ready to wear. For those of you who want a long, low maintenance piece, this would be it because she is a regular synthetic. Regular synthetic fibers don't tangle as fast and as often as the heat-friendly synthetic fibers do. So this would be the choice for you if you want a low maintenance long piece. She also has a full monofilament top, so you could part her wherever you'd like. Beautiful lace front, open wefted cap, velvet ear tabs, and she's got Velcro adjusters. Let me go ahead and take her off so that you could see the cap construction. Look how long, so pretty. So this is the lace front, velvet ear tabs, full monofilament top for parting versatility, open wefted super stretchy cap, extended nape, and the Velcro adjusters. Again, I have a 23-inch head circumference, and you can see the adjusters are all the way out, but I could do with them a little bit tighter. Now, with regular synthetic fibers, you may notice a little bit more shine than heat-friendly synthetics, especially with the blonde colors. But with this piece, I don't notice it as much. If you want, you can spray some dry shampoo to tame that shine down. Let's go ahead and take a look at Avery in Shaded Praline outside. Okay, here she is in the shade. And let's go under direct sunlight. There we go. And that is it for this video. Head over to namebrandwigs.com and use code SIS30 for 30% off qualifying purchases. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.